Good morning. It is still week 33, Tuesday. We're going to go through the slides. Today, you're going to read about extreme weather and the processes of that, and how scientists are coming up with new technology to predict when extreme weather is coming and how they can protect coastlines and different areas from damages caused by extreme weather. So, as you're working through this today, you're going to look at engineering solutions for coastlines. If you remember, earlier in the year, we studied the words weathering, erosion, and deposition. And we talked about how there was a girl named Jasmine, and she was looking at putting a new lighthouse for her town. And she was doing some research by looking at both sets of grandparents. And both sets of grandparents had lighthouses in their towns. When we were studying that, we looked at how that water hitting the lighthouse and moving the sand and the erosion of the sand moving to a new place and depositing that deposition, how that affected those coastlines. So today you're going to read about how engineers are trying to come up with solutions to help protect coastlines. You're going to read through that, and then you're going to answer questions 6 through 10. And remember, you're making that Google document or you're putting on the document from yesterday. In our Zoom meeting yesterday, we were talking about that, and one of you said that you like to just put it all in one document and turn it in on Friday. That is perfect. However you want to do it is fine with me. All right, let's go ahead and look at our reading. You will have your warm-ups that you do every day. And then we're going to talk about inferencing, figuring out something that wasn't explained in the story, using what you already know about something and what the text says to come up with what something means. So it says, read the passage on the next slide and answer the 4 questions in your notebooks. Now, I know some of you do not have your notebooks at home, and that is fine. You can put them on a scratch piece of paper. Then you're going to read news, read all about it. You're going to answer the 4 questions on inferencing. You can either use the exit flip that is under Miss Glass, or you can put it on a Google document and turn it in. Tomorrow night, when I do your lesson, we'll go over some of these passages that you're working on this week. All right, let's go on to math. I can solve subtraction equations. I can solve subtraction word problems. So just like yesterday, you can go ahead, you're going to practice these right here. There's 4 questions to practice. When you are done with the practice, you are going to go to Empower, and there is a quiz that's for you on subtraction, and you're going to go ahead and take that quiz on subtraction just so that I can make sure that you're understanding and that you've held on to all that good stuff that you've learned throughout the year. So that is what you're going to work on today. If you have any questions, remember to reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. And if not, I will see you today on Zoom at 1 o'clock.